Sorry, the internet cut out on me a little there. I don't have great Wi-Fi connection here working from home. So I just press that on a little, smooth it out. What I can do is I'll work on this more and just smooth any lumps or bumps out. But if you're putting texture on, the texture will help disguise any lumps or bumps. So I'm just pressing that on, pressing along the center line and work outwards. If you're making this from air drying clay, once it's finished, leave it for about a week to dry out completely, and then you can paint it with acrylic paints. So I'll just tidy up those wee edges. Okay. If you really wanted to do a wee bit extra, you could put some wee feet on. Now, you don't really see very many of their little toes. You would just maybe see like almost, see three toes on each side. So you could, and there's a long toe in the middle, and then a shorter toe each side. So I'll do 2 sets of those. And when you're looking at you, you can decide, oh, I think I would rather it had bigger eyes. I'm not really liking those eyes. So I think I will, so remember, a long toe in the middle and a shorter toe each side. Together. With your paintbrush, you can just blend them together a wee bit more. So I didn't really like those eyes, so I'm looking for a bigger toe to make a bigger hole in the eye. Just the rubber end of the pencil. Yeah, that's better. So owls have such big eyes, it just wouldn't look right if the eyes are too small. I'm just going to feather this up a wee bit. There you go. There's your quick and easy owl. If you're making this from clay that needs fired in the kiln, you will need to let it dry overnight and then, section it. I would, if you're sectioning it to fire in the kiln, I would cut it from here diagonally across the back and then hollow it out, slip and cross hatch it together. But I hope you have fun making your little owls, and please post up your finished pictures. I really look forward to seeing them and seeing what all texture you've created. Then putting the texture on is one of the most fun parts. Just thinking of different tools. And if you, especially with air drying clay, if you have made a wee bit of a pattern, you think, oh, don't like that, you can just smooth it off and look for something else. It could be maybe a piece of pasta. Sometimes the pasta twists They have a nice wee pattern at the end and you can press that in. So I look forward to seeing how your oils turn out. Thank you very much for joining us, and we'll have another quick and easy make for you next Saturday morning. Thank you.